Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your business goals with Intel step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current business situation. Collect data on recent performance metrics. Identify areas where you have fallen short of your goals. Conduct a SWOT analysis to understand strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Set clear, specific, and measurable goals based on your analysis. Engage with your team to gather input and ideas. Utilize Intel's market insights and data intelligence tools for informed decision-making. Create an action plan that outlines steps to achieve your revised goals. Assign responsibilities to team members for each action item. Set realistic deadlines to maintain accountability. Implement the tools and technologies provided by Intel to enhance productivity. Monitor progress regularly with key performance indicators. Make data-driven adjustments to your plan as needed. Encourage open communication within your team to share updates and challenges. Celebrate small wins along the way to maintain motivation. Review your business goals periodically to ensure alignment with your vision. Remain adaptable to changes in the market or your business landscape. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.